Have you ever considered how much of our modern engineering owes its existence to the medieval Islamic civilization? As the sands of time were turned back to the early stages of the Islamic Golden Age, a remarkable era of enlightenment unfolded. This was an epoch marked by the translation movement, a profound initiative that saw the wisdom of Greek, Persian, and Indian works being translated into Arabic. But the scholars of this civilization were not content with just preserving these ancient insights. They took this knowledge, dissected it, understood it, and then, courageously, expanded upon it. Their quest for knowledge was not confined to theory alone. They ventured into the realm of practical engineering. The invention of the crankshaft, the water pump, and several other mechanical marvels were born out of this era. These innovations had a profound influence on mechanical technology, shaping its future for centuries to come. The foundations of engineering were being laid, and from these roots, an impressive tree of knowledge grew. As the centuries progressed, so did the ingenious minds of the Islamic civilization. Stepping into the limelight, we find a host of remarkable individuals whose work brought about significant advancements that stretched the boundaries of knowledge and innovation. Take, for instance, Al-Jazari. He wasn't just an engineer, but a visionary who saw beyond the limitations of his time. He penned the Book of Knowledge of Ingenious Mechanical Devices, a groundbreaking work that introduced the world to the concept of automation. His designs, intricate and complex, laid the groundwork for many modern mechanisms we take for granted today. From water clocks to musical automata, his creations were a testament to the blend of art and science, of beauty and functionality. Then we have Ibn al-Haytham, a polymath who left an indelible mark on the field of optics. He's often considered the first scientist thanks to his rigorous approach to experimentation and observation. His Book of Optics revolutionized the understanding of light and vision, challenging the prevalent theories of his time. He introduced the scientific method, a systematic approach to uncovering the truths of the natural world, which is still the cornerstone of scientific research today. But the influence of these pioneers wasn't confined to the realm of theory. Their work found practical applications that transformed everyday life. Al-Jazari's intricate water-raising devices were a boon to agriculture, enabling more efficient irrigation and fueling the growth of crops. The principles of Ibn al-Haytham's optics found their way into the design of buildings, influencing the way light and space were utilized in architecture. And in the theater of warfare, mechanical devices like the trebuchet, an invention credited to Islamic engineers, altered the course of battles. These milestones weren't just remarkable for their time, they continue to influence modern engineering, standing as a testament to the enduring legacy of the pioneers of progress in the medieval Islamic civilization. Fast forward to the present day, and the echoes of these ancient innovations still resonate in our modern world. As the world has advanced, the principles and inventions of the medieval Islamic civilization haven't been left behind. Instead, they've been incorporated into contemporary engineering, continuing to shape our world in ways both subtle and profound. Take, for instance, Al-Jazari's crankshaft, a mechanical device which converts rotational motion into linear motion and vice versa. This unassuming component, first conceptualized in the 12th century, is now a vital part of nearly every modern internal combustion engine. From the cars we drive to the industrial equipment that powers our factories, Al-Jazari's crankshaft is the beating heart of our mechanized world. And it's not just in mechanics where this legacy lives on. The influence of Islamic architecture, with its intricate geometrical patterns and emphasis on symmetry, can be seen in modern building designs across the globe. The awe-inspiring skylines of cities like Dubai and Kuala Lumpur owe much to the architectural principles established by Islamic pioneers. These principles, balancing both aesthetics and functionality, have stood the test of time and continue to inspire architects and engineers today. But perhaps the most profound gift from the medieval Islamic civilization to our modern world is not a physical invention, but a method of thought, the scientific method. This systematic approach to uncovering the truths of the natural world, based on observation, hypothesis, experimentation, and analysis, was first formalized by scholars such as Ibn al-Haytham. Today, it's the bedrock of all scientific and technological progress, underpinning every breakthrough from the smallest microchip to the largest skyscraper. In every corner of our modern world, From the engines that power our lives, to the buildings that define our cities, and the scientific principles that drive our progress, the legacy of the medieval Islamic civilization endures. In the grand tapestry of human progress, the threads of the medieval Islamic civilization are woven deeply into the fabric of modern engineering. So, to circle back to our initial question, how much does modern engineering owe to the medieval Islamic civilization? We've journeyed from the dawn of innovation, where we discovered the remarkable accomplishments of pioneers like Al-Jazari and Ibn al-Haytham. Their unprecedented advancements in mechanics and optics laid the foundation for subsequent generations. We then ventured into their lasting legacy, which continues to influence today's engineering marvels. The intricate water systems, windmills, and architectural designs born out of this era are still replicated and improved upon in our modern world. The principles of their scientific methodology, their quest for knowledge, and their unwavering commitment to progress have been the guiding light for countless innovations. So the answer to the question is not a simple tally of contributions. Rather, it's a recognition of an enduring influence that permeates every aspect of our engineered world. The legacy of the medieval Islamic civilization is not just in the past. It's in every machine, every building, and every scientific discovery that continues to shape our world.